Yo, that is insane. What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this super sick AI scary clown effect. I think this effect looks pretty nice, and I noticed that it really became like popular into like the whole underground scene. You're gonna see it from artists like Che, Osama-san, and so many more. So I'm gonna show you all the sauce inside this video. Before we start, I just need to put you on to my all-in-one bundle, which is easily the best offer I have on my website. It is by far my best offer because all in one place, you can get all of my editing packs and you get lifetime access as well. So all of my future packs that I'm gonna be dropping, they're gonna keep getting more fire and fire. They're gonna be sent straight to your email as well. The thing is, the deal ends on October 1st. As you can see, it is $149.99. However, it's gonna go up to $200 on October 1st. Why wait and waste $50 when you can save $50 today? As you can see, you get all of the packs that I will ever make. You can get like the brain rot bundle, which is easily one of the most popular ones. Paper effects also is in there, where you can get mixed video effects all in seconds. We got the whole New Wave Effects suite. I am working on New Wave Effects V3 as we speak, and trust me guys, it's gonna be so crazy. So you'll receive this automatically. If you want to invest in yourself, level up your edits, totally transform your videos, this is easily the best investment you can make. I have the link down below. Now with that said, let's get right into this. Basically, you just want to get a like sequence. Like I have this destroyed only music video right here. I really like this part. I think I'm gonna keep that bam like this. So we put it in, and then we're gonna put it out when it looks up right there. And then we're gonna create a composition, just call it effect, and we can drag it on right here. And the last frame, that's what we want to save basically. So what we're gonna do is B and N, because that's gonna do like in and out in After Effects. It's like that. I don't know why it's not I and O, but we're gonna go to composition, do save frame as, go to file, and then you basically want to save the screenshot. So just kind of call it AI. To send it like easily in Korea.ai, I would make the format just a JPEG. You can, it's whatever, you can make the quality high. They're just gonna use it more like as a reference. So we're gonna render this. By the way, Korea.ai is paid at some point, but you get to generate, I think like 2 to 3 videos. Then you can probably just like change your account or something like that, or actually invest in it if you find that like the results are insane. But unfortunately, all of like the AI software, you all have to pay them at some point. I know I do. So we're gonna go get the start frame. So now as you can see, we have the start image right here. Basically now we have to describe it. I could go to ChatGPT to get a super detailed prompt, but that's not really what we want. We want to use our minds. Like, don't get me wrong, like I like using ChatGPT, but I feel like some people like they're gonna use ChatGPT and they're gonna ask like should I brush my teeth today? Like, bro, can we please? So we're gonna type transform the man into a scary clown. The camera does a close up, make the clown super scary, and make the camera shake as he's laughing, show its impact. And also I wanted to have like scary like yellow teeth, so make his teeth super sharp and yellow, and big facial features, bigger and scarier. I don't think we need to type more than that. We're gonna see what it generates. And I think like what's really fun about it, you're gonna have like different results depending. Oh, I feel like we're gonna get a totally different result that I got from like last time. I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be fire, I can tell. So while we're waiting for this to load, you might as well subscribe, and please let me know in the comments like what other effects you want to see in this channel so I can cover it for you. All right, yo, that's pretty cool actually. That's pretty fire. But I just kind of wish he had like some, you know, like some makeup, some stuff like that. So I might like regenerate something. So I think we can like modify it to make him with blood dripping from his eyes. Like we're gonna make this super scary. Let's do this. I like this one though. Oh, okay, that's a whole different one. That's so scary. I'm scared. I was scared. Why did I do this video? I'm gonna have nightmares. Oh my God, this is crazy. No way. I love that result so much. Yo, we got it, bro. That is insane. I gotta download this. This is the one. So we're gonna download this. We're gonna go back into After Effects now. Then I'm just gonna drag it in my composition. As you can see, it is like, it's like a bit smaller. So you just gotta like up the scale until you get exactly what we need. I think this is it. Oh shoot, is that any different? Yeah, it's pretty much the same. So now we're gonna have this so far. Yo, that is insane. And I think I'm gonna add some like, yo, that is crazy. And I feel like we need to add some like texture to it. Like, this is crazy. I'm actually so surprised with the result, and I think it did a wonderful job. With that said, we're gonna add on to it, add a few effects to personalize it, like claim it as your own. So we're gonna create a new adjustment layer. If we want to fit like really like that opium style stuff like that, I have my New Wave FX V2 presets pulled up. So this is one of my favorite packs when it comes to like the effects that are trending at the moment, music video effects. Like, these are my favorite effects. Like, let's say we drag in cleanest grunge, then we would have this. You get this insane like horror kind of effect. And we got so many styles as well. Like, if you want to like fit that yeet aesthetic as well, we got 2093. Like, look at this effect. Like, this looks crazy. This looks crazy. Like, I love these presets so much. So I just wanted to show them to you real quick. If you want to upgrade your edits, this is an extremely easy way to do so. I have them linked down below. Oh, that is so tough. I feel like I could even put like cleanest grunge under 2093, and then I would have this. Isn't that crazy? That is insane. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing. And please let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you want to see next on this channel. Also, if you want to have all of my editing packs and all of my future packs as well, you can check the all-in-one bundle offer down below, which ends on October 1st. So make sure it goes like that. With that said, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.